Alright, so we have created the letterhead. Now we would like to continue to type our letter. What we would do is we would open new, hang on, new from existing, and we would see, alright, on my desktop I've saved my letterhead. Here I have it, this is my letterhead. Okay, now if I want to change the font, what I can do here is to go to change style and I change the fonts. I like Calibri better and Cambria, so I will just stick to this. Okay, right now I'm going to teach you the first one is to insert tab. If you look right now, I'm pressing a tab. You see it's only being indented a little bit in, and I have to do it many times if I want my date somewhere to be here. This is not very practical, but this is what you see most often. This is your tab mark. It means this tab mark means left indentation. What I can do is with this cursor here, insertion mark here, I choose a point where I want my date to be maybe at point 11. And what you see here, when I press the tab, hey, it goes there straight away. What I can do here is I want to insert my date. Of course, you can type it in, but I'm going to teach you something that you can do, date and time. And we can just select 29 April 2014. Alright, now let's go to the next paragraph. The next one would be the addresses. Mr. Harvey, I'm not going to type everything one by one, so I did something here. I'm just going to copy and paste it here. And let's come back here and just paste it here. Okay. If you type it, you will see it appearing this way. It's because our paragraph spacing is still different. But it's okay, we are going to modify it later. So I'm going to teach you to do a quick building block. What I need you to do is to select this one, but without the paragraph mark. And you will now need to go to insert, and quick parts. Now you go to building blocks. Okay, create a new building block. Do we have that? Auto text. Selection. Hang on, I need to get things correctly. Auto text. Save selection to auto text gallery. I will just call the name WTR. Okay. And if I come in again, I would say my auto text, I have this. WTR is here. Okay. What happens here is that when the next time, for example, when I type WTR and I press F3, I would have the name appearing automatically for me. Okay, now do you still remember how do we modify the paragraph spacing? You can go to normal here, just modify. We would select, okay, we would just select paragraphs. Single, maybe we'll just put just 0. Okay, there. You see, everything is being done, so this we will just need to have one more space. Okay, looks better right now. Now I'm not going to tap the whole thing. I'll just do a copy and paste. Dear Mr. Wilcox. Okay, now you see this part here. This is called the non-breaking space. Do you see this small circle up here? Now, normally what happens is if you have a space bar, okay, you will see that this text is being broken into 2 lines because of the space bar. Now, for certain things like names, like companies, I would not want to break it up. So what do I do? Now, let me just prove something to you. I'll just take away the paragraph mark. You see, it's okay. Alright. What I would do is I would just type with a non-breaking space. When you hide the formatting mark, you see it's actually a space mark. So this is known as the non-breaking space, and you do it using Control Space Enter. Make sure you highlight the name here, okay? And for this part, I want you to practice. Just key in WTR and press F3, and you see the whole name appearing. The next thing we want to do here is to insert the table. So you can just go to Insert Table. How many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a 5. Okay, maybe I just put a few more rows here. Now you need to, of course, key in more information when you press and enter. Get a new row. That's totally fine. Let me see my paragraph mark again. Okay, I can format my table. Sorry, hang on. Where's my design? Okay, so I can just format the table according to maybe this one, video, this one. Yeah. Okay, so what I selected medium grid 3x4. What happens here is, of course, you can continue to type the information here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to, how many lines do I have just now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. I'm just going to copy them, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm just going to paste option. Okay, keep text only. So I've put everything in here, and now I can insert another line above here by selecting the first row. Right click, I can insert rows above. Okay, and what I want to show is I can merge them. I can either do merge cell here, or I can just highlight all of them and merge cells into the, you see it's here. So running short of time, I'm just going to copy and paste. Copy and come back here and paste the text here. And of course I'm going to just put it into the middle. And what happens right here is whoops, so much for that. Okay, hang on. Redo, delete rows. Okay, now what I wanted to do was to automatically size them. Okay, by just highlighting it, when you see this cross double-sided arrow coming up, you double click and you automatically resize them. And what you need to do is just to put everything centered. Okay, this one perhaps not. Alright, and we will just go back here and insert rows above. Let's just redo this and match the cells, and then I will just paste the text. Okay, so far. And now this is not in the center. I want to move the table. I need to wait until the selection where my cursor have this 4 corners coming up. Then I can move my table. Okay, so I have it done here. And the next thing I need you to do is to continue to type this. And of course, hang on, you know this, okay? I'm just going to do select text. Okay, because it's taking is what you need to do for your assignment. Make sure you insert a table here. Okay, have fun doing, and if you're done with this, we can continue with the discussion.